coming back to the national politics, right? We have always heard the BJP calling out the dynastic politics. However, today, the BJP seems to be following the same steps. How would you justify that?
My dear friends, BJP doesn't follow dynastic politics. BJP follows the right candidate for the people. Sometimes it is pertinent that the choice may be from one part of the family also. We cannot deny that. It is just like saying all Nagas eat rice. But sometimes we may have different forms of rice eaten in the same manner. I will elaborate that in the days to come. But today the choice of Daochier I Imchen is not of dynastic politics. It is a choice made by the parliamentary board. He was a primary member of the party. He was an active member of the party. He had requested for ticket together with 3-4 other candidates. And then looking at his credentials, being a literate young man who has done his MA in political science and who has been into the grassroots of knowing his people and understanding that, I think BJP parliamentary board leadership felt that he is the right choice and he has been given ticket. Don't compare it to the Congress dynastic politics. For them, everything is that family only.
Why can't the same yardstick be applied?
See, yardstick is a measurement of understanding. Yardstick is not a measurement of doing it at all cost. It's a measurement of understanding. Tomorrow, your son or your daughter may also be a good journalist. She or he may take the choice of that. So there the yardstick doesn't apply in that manner. But in the Congress party, we know everything. I'm not here to say about Congress, because we know it's all about the family. Everything about the family. So, thanks to them for who they are. But for us, the choice is the right candidate. And I think, and I'm sure that Daochier I Imchen is the right candidate.